guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a slime blindfolded. Drum roll, please. So right here, we have some instant snow. Right here we have rainbow balls. And over here, like right here, we have some teal glue. Right here we have pink glue. And over here we have orange glue. We have shaving cream over here. And over here we have the food colorings and the activator. So I'm just going to start doing this. And this is going to be scary. I've never done this before. Okay. First, obviously, I'm going to go with the glue. Okay, I'm going to pick this one. My bowl is right here. Okay. I'm going to go with another glue. I'm going to pick this glue. My bowl's right here. Okay. And my nose is itchy. I'm going to go with I think this is the shaving cream. The shaving cream is not new, but I don't know what this is. Hopefully it's something cool. Where's everything? Okay. Ah! Something went on my hand. Okay, food coloring. Let me go with this one. I'm gonna go with another one. Hopefully, I didn't get green or something, because I don't like the color. Maybe I got red. I want to get red. Okay, I'm going to just add the activator. You guys want to see it? Okay. Let me show you guys. Where are you guys? This is what the slime looks like. I have no idea what it looks like. Hopefully I don't drop my slime in the phone. But it looks like, guys. Wait, I'm gonna have to move my slime over here and go back over here to the setup. I'm not gonna look at it. Oh my god. Because I have to see, I have to put it back.
Now you're being lazy.
Sorry that I had to pause it. But now looking. Okay, gotta get back. Okay. Where's the activator? No, I'm just gonna open this up. I know that's a baby bottle. Don't judge, I don't have anything else to put it in. Oh, I'm hearing all the scratches. It just feels, it hears very like bad. Like it feels like, not feels, why am I keep on saying feels? It like hears very like good, but bad. I wonder what color it's going to turn out to be. Okay, I'm mixing up, maybe you can see, but I'm mixing it up. I wonder if I need more activator or something. I'd have to feel. Ooh, it feels very like wet, but like cool. Ooh, this feels nice. Ooh, look at guys, this feels nice. But I think a little bit more activator. Maybe I could just go with my hands now. Ooh. Oh, I think I overactivated it. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys my slime in 3, 2, 1. So this is the slime. Here, I'll show you guys. So this is the slime. It's a very like bluish, orangish. It has a bunch of these rainbow balls. I'm gonna do the sis versus bro thing at the end. So it's like a white splotch right here. I don't know why, but all the snow stuff that I added in my slime blindfolded is going all over the table, and it's all over the slime. The balls keep on falling out too, which is very annoying. I overactivated the slime, which is just a big plus. No, it's not. I could tear through it so easily, and most of the snow stuff just falls out. And the rainbow balls, this was a slime fail. If you think that it was a good slime or it's cool, comment hashtag orangey, greeny and bluey rainbow ball slime. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications.